in order to replace the core in your master padlock. Using your blue tagged control key, insert into the existing core, turn the control key 10 degrees clockwise. Remove your existing core and set aside. Take your new core, insert the blue tagged control key, turn it 10 degrees clockwise. Insert the new core into the master padlock. Turn your control key back to the vertical position and remove. Take your new operating key, verify function with the lock. Once the job is complete, take the blue tagged control key and return it using the enclosed return shipping label.